Welcome back, everybody.
Looks like a post.
Sure.
You killed Mom. That wasn't Mom. It was some kind of monster. We're all monsters. Kill her. No, it can't be. Who's your daddy now, bitch? Stay away from me. There's no time.
That's what I thought would happen. It just didn't take the first time.
I've been angry with you for as long as I can remember. I will never forgive you, Dad. But I'm done being angry.
On to the next floor.
A small casket. Nothing in this place appears. The chain looks like the crane. No use.
Use the pen
That
with it. That's the... Alright, now I'm gonna need to go back down, I guess. I'm missing inventory items. Let's see, what's on the first floor? Anything? That doesn't look like anything. Looks like the same stuff. I could go see the other Kathy again. If she's in there. She might not be.
I didn't hear an impact. That thing. I don't even. A jukebox. Where did the body is? Nothing else in. That action. There's a weird.
Oh.
Got it. It's the red scarab I found in the refrigerator. That combination. Refrigerate the score value. Hoax it not sure.
I'm still missing something.
That combination.
You know, alright.
The
Wait.
body. I don't see.
Okay. Well,
Nothing else.
I got the scarab. Time to start using it on everything.
That I don't see.
I mean, I haven't had an opportunity to
I don't
really
see-
do this.
I don't want to. I don't. I don't see.
Yeah, I didn't think so either, but you walked over
That
there.
action. More gears. That action. That combination.
Alright, we'll go back down to the first floor then.
I don't see a small... I don't
either, but I'm just trying
don't-
everything.
That action.
I don't... It has a hard shell.
That action.
Yeah, I don't have anything.
I don't...
That act.
More gear. That thing...
That act. That act.
I don't want to...
Maybe I can crack it against the jukebox.
That action.
Nope.
The bot... I did that. I don't see... Nothing else. Refrigerator magnets. The score values are off. Hopes in jar. An inkier heart. Not sure what... I don't even want...
That act.
I mean, right now, I'm seeing a lack of interactive objects, which is a problem.
Nothing...
That
It's the red scarab. It has a...
That action. That
A small...
So no way to just grab the...
The chain looks like the... No use.
What am I missing? Show me where I need to find a thing that I can use. Maybe I can get in here somehow.
There are 2 padlocks here. One requires a...
Code is near. Okay.
August 81. Looks like Grandpa and Grandpa's name.
1995, 1981. Actually, wait a minute. Whoops, wrong floor. This is a complete guess, and it may be wrong. But I'm always, like, aware of when there are potential trick questions. So when they say code is near, they may mean literally that the code is the word near, and we have the Scrabble values. So I just have to see if the letters NEAR are here.
Nothing else.
Alright, so 3, 2, 1, 5. 3, 2, 1, 5. I could be completely off base. 3, 2, 1, 5. But I don't know how to open the other padlock even if this one is correct. That's one.
This padlock... I don't think I need to use the chain itself for...
What?
A sturdy iron. I don't need to lock...
Okay. I thought I would need the chain itself for the 3rd floor, but maybe the padlock is all I need. And I think the key is inside the scarab.
That should work.
They're indentations.
Doesn't open. Indentation.
Let's get that key. I'm assuming it's to the padlock the door, but maybe it'll be to this too.
Do you see?
I don't want to see.
Do you see?
Yes, kid, I see.
Do you know who I am now?
I don't like this.
You'll never go home. We won't let you. When you threw me away, this place took me in.
What?
Nurtured me. Do you regret what you did?
I just couldn't repeat the mistake my parents made. I couldn't bear to put a child through life in a broken, damaged family like I was. You're just here to test me, to try and break me.
Good. The heart must be pure. This is a fleeting moment, but I've seen what comes ahead.
Who are you?
The dweller in the lake. The conduit.
Lily?
I feel like I know her, but something cracks inside.
I don't understand any of this. What do you want from me?
Only what you want from yourself. We are nearing the end.
Who is?
You know who.
Time to see Joseph, I assume. I'm trying to spare judgment about the fact that they tried to shame her for having an abortion.
Damn, it's locked. That action does... Okay, now...
for some fun.
All right, we
No, they didn't show the animation.
You have ruined everything. Why do you hate us so much? What did we ever do to you? You're persistent, I'll give you that. But I'm not afraid anymore. You are nothing but a fearful little child, and there's nowhere left for you to hide. Now get the hell out of my way. No! You look a bit pale. No, I'm the original. I am! I'm speechless. No, it can't be. Grandpa!
It's so good to see you, Kathy.
Is it really you?
It hasn't been that long from my point of view.
You look exactly the same, but how is this even possible?
You don't have to worry about that now, Kathy.
I've missed you, Grandpa. I wanted to come back so many times.
I know you did. I've been watching you every step of the way.
I found out how you tried to get me back from Mom and everything.
I just wanted you to be safe.
Can I get you out of here somehow?
I'm afraid that's not possible. I chose to remain here, so we could meet one last time.
But I just got you back.
You don't need me, Kathy. You never did. You're stronger than you'll ever know. I'm so proud of the woman that you've become.
This is so unfair. This fucking sucks.
I know, darling. I know.
But why are you here then?
No, the tests are over, Kathy. I'm breaking all the rules just by being here.
We have worked so hard to make this happen. You can end the cycle, stop the suffering. This whole place needs to be ripped away, separated.
That red fiend has no intention of letting your friend go. The only way to save her is to destroy this place.
What do I have to do?
You have to finish what I started. Ascend and burn them all.
Yes, the red ones above feed this place. Make them lick the flames. Hurry, now before he sees us.
Off we go.
Wait! I need to go back up. The gears... A shot of a corpse keep...
What's on
Scenes
TV
are
down
flashing
here?
by.
What's gonna happen?
It's the Red Man. The only... Ugh, my head. I need to stay focused. It's too humid. The lighter alone... I don't see... I don't want to... I don't see it. That should be enough.
Major forest fire raging in Conwell Woods, but the latest reports say that the fire has been successfully contained, largely thanks to the local lake, which provided ample water for the dousing efforts.
Oh, thank goodness you're all right.
You're back.
Oh, thank God it actually worked.
I think so, but I feel a bit different.
Yeah? You were out for a long time.
I think Isaac drugged me. I started feeling dizzy and weak. I remember hearing the wind in the leaves and the biting. I'm not sure what happened next. Things are a bit blurry. It felt like she kept me safe somehow.
It must have been your guardian angel.
I think so too.
Well, I'm glad you're okay, E.
Yeah, Mary Elizabeth told me what happened, how you found me.
Yes, about that poor man. The sheriff called. Something happened while you were away.
Something to Isaac?
Welcome home, son.
A little unsettling.
Guess he finally grew a conscience.
I can't help but feel bad for him, despite what he did to me.
At least we stopped him from hurting any more people.
Or did they? I guess they did.
So, I guess this really is goodbye. A stupid part of me thought that if I would find the truth, I could be close to him again.
It's not stupid. We all look for love in the strangest of places. It's an inseparable part of human nature.
Jeez, when did you become so philosophical, E?
I told you, I feel different.
Yeah, me too.
Do you think any of it was real?
I don't know, E, but I hope we managed to stop it. You know, despite everything, I think we made a half-decent team.
Really?
Well, except for the part where you got yourself kidnapped. Try not to do that next time, okay?
Wait, there'll be a next time?
Alright. So there you have it. Kathy Rain. Written, designed, and programmed by that guy, Joel. Thank you, Joel. And all of the people who worked on the game. The background art was very nice. Animation was nice. Portrait art was nice. Voice acting was alright. I don't know if I heard Abe Goldfarb, though. I just know there was a character named Goldfarb. Of course, there were sounds from Freesound. We all use it. Well, if Dave Gilbert did the voice-over direction, then there's a chance. No, it was not. It wasn't him. It was someone else. Oh well. The kid. Oh cool, Dave did a voice in this game. Alright, well, thank you for watching, everybody. That's Kathy Rain. We'll have another game for you soon, so grab a snack and just enjoy it. It's probably very tasty. I've gotta come up with some better lines than that.